Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's free YouTube video. Video that we have from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. every single day. I have a video for you trying to help the best I can, and today trying to give an overview on the overall market that has been all over the place with big moves this week since the Pfizer vaccine news on Monday before the market opened. Action all over the place and big rotation out of the tech names, but they bought the dip on Tuesday. So let's see how those charts are and where we stand from here. So starting with the first one, Dow Jones daily chart. We started with a big gap on Monday, a reversal sell candle here on Monday, but one of the important things is that finally Dow Jones was able to hit new all-time highs. So Dow Jones was the only one that was lagging here, and it was missing to hit new all-time highs after the COVID correction. Nasdaq, SP 500, every single name had hit, and major index had hit new all-time highs after the COVID correction, but Dow Jones was missing. Dow Jones finally hit new all-time highs, but this kind of candle not that pretty, okay? Dow Jones is trying to consolidate here above 29k, but if it goes below 29k, I am expecting a mean reversion back into 28,500, 28,300 as the middle of the range. The move was too much extended in my opinion. Can it go higher? Yes, of course it can, but it's a tricky place in my opinion. So something to monitor going forward. Also looking for the weekly chart, not that pretty. It's a big fight between the bulls and bears. So basically this says everything. So basically we open on the weekly on Monday at 29,400. We are pretty much flat for the week on the Dow. Something to keep on watch. If we go and fade into 29k into the end of the week, it will be a topping candle here for the week. So something to keep on watch. Only goes into the books tomorrow at the end of the day. So tomorrow we will have a more clear view on this weekly candle, but not that pretty, at least for now, and some big fight between bulls and bears. Looking for Nasdaq. Nasdaq stopped exactly where it should, at the top of the Bollinger Band, top of the range, was able to make higher highs. It's making higher highs, higher lows. It pulled back right at the middle of the range, but it still has a gap to fill from last week. So something to keep on watch. If it breaks below 11,500, expecting the gap to fill, 11k will be the line in the sand and the support. But once again, we need Nasdaq to break below 11,500. Looking for small caps, exactly the same thing. Small caps started the week with a big gap and go. Big gap on Monday and fairly profit taking. It was a huge move. So we basically came from 2 weeks ago from 151 all the way into 178. Profit taking, it was expectable, and now what? Trying to consolidate here, mean reversion, big candle on Monday, mean reversion here. If it goes below 169 as a gap to fill all the way into 164, 165, the middle of the range 161, 162, so that can be as a possible support going into the end of the month. So keeping on watch. Looking for example for SP 500 all over the place. So it was able to hit new all-time highs on Monday, so that's good. We are making higher highs, higher lows. That's also good. But the move and the kind of candle and action on Monday, it's not pretty. Okay, so we have a topping candle here on Monday. If we go below 3,500 on SP 500, we can go all the way into 34, the next logical support, middle of the range. After such a strong move, back into the middle of the range is what should happen, and it can take some time, yes, but it should happen in the next couple of sessions. And if it breaks below the middle of the range, below 34 can go all the way into 3300 area to try the lower support of the Bollinger Band. So there is a big fight here between bulls and bears. But if you notice, we have been here on September, okay? So we have been in 2 months. We go from September all the way into November, and we gone nowhere. Okay, so basically nowhere. Big fight. We have here a possible double bottom. Yes, but we need to see it. Okay, we need a move above Monday highs to squeeze higher. So Monday highs are really the key right now. 36.46. If it breaks above, yes, big short squeeze can happen. But right now we going nowhere in these last couple of weeks, and 2 months going nowhere. So staying open-minded. Cash is also a position when you don't know where the market is going. It's very difficult. Also, actually, we don't have any trend right here. We are on a bull market. Okay, that's for sure. We are on the bull market. During bull markets, we can have corrections. Okay, something like we saw here, correction, but the dip was bought. Another correction here, but the dip was bought. We can have another correction, yes, but we are still on a bull market. Okay, that can change. Of course, it can, because we were on a bull market until February, and on February we have a black swan event, and with the COVID, and the market had a big correction. Can we have it that in the future? It will happen. No one knows when, but it will happen, because history proves that we will have corrections, and big corrections on the way, and black swans. Yes, but we need to start seeing some cracks. Here, the first signal was the breaking below on SP 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, every single name breaking below the 50-day moving average was the first trigger. Day one, see where we go. Okay, even if you missed the top, we had a day one. Okay, even if you didn't get day one, okay, let's put here, even if you missed day one, you had day two when it breaks below and didn't recover the day one on the breakdown, and see where we came. Okay, even if you missed the top, look that we came all the way into, from 3300, 3200 all the way into 2300, 2191. That's the lows. Okay, so we will have time. Even if we miss the top, we will have time to have this kind. And even though it was not easy, lots of volatility here, all over the place, so it was tricky, but very, very volatile environment. But you have time. Even if you missed this, you had time to reshort once again here, and taking the move down. So we will have time. We have lots of gaps to fill down, yes, but no one really knows where that will happen. We are on the top of the Bollinger Band. We are on the top of the range. We can have a correction, yes, but we need it below SP 500, below 3500. So keep it on your watch. If SP 500 breaks below 3500, that will be the signal, in my opinion, for the next pullback on the market. But once again, keep it on your watch, stay safe, and wish you all a great trading. If you like this video, please give me a like on the video. Also subscribe to the free YouTube channel so you can get the next video from Monday to Friday, 8 AM, a video for you. Thank you all for watching. Wish you all great trading, stay safe, and be happy trading. Thanks everyone. Bye bye. See you.